Jiang. Today we are going to learn lesson 5. How to ask and answer one's name. You can see we have English questions and answerings, and I offer 2 versions Chinese translation. Why? One is literal version and one is in idiomatic version. Because literal version is word to word. You can understand easily. Chinese idiomatic version, not a word to word. You may feel confused, but usually we speak idiomatic version. That's why I offer 2. This literal for you understanding. Then you need to learn the idiomatic version. Okay, let's begin. What's your name? If I straight tell you, the translation is 你的名字是什么? Can you understand? No, of course, because you don't know what is your name. A 4 words counterpart in Chinese, so we need to learn the word, the character first. From now on, in other practical lessons, we can't only learn speeches, sentences. We must learn word, character first. Then we can see sentences. Now we really start. What? Here. Character 2. 什么 pronunciation 什么 We have learned more 什么 has no new strokes. What 什么 is 是 We have learned in last lesson 是 pronouncing 是要你的你的 name 名字 Here we have another verb 叫 pronunciation is 叫 because even in literal translation we Chinese seldom use 是 we use 叫 Okay, now we can really begin to see sentences. What's your name? 你的名字叫什么？你的名字叫什么？ Now we look at his 他的 her 她的 its 他的 Can you see these 3 ta pronounce the same 他 Now what's his name? 他的名字是什么？他的名字叫什么？ What's her name? 他的名字叫什么？他的名字叫什么 ？What's its name？ 他的名字叫什么？他的名字叫什么 ？Move on. Idiomatic washing. What's your name? 你叫什么名字 ？What's his name? 他叫什么名字 ？What's her name? 她叫什么名字 ？What's its name? 它叫什么名字 ？Can you see? In idiomatic washing, the subject are pronouns, and in literal washing, the subject are nouns. 名字 name is noun, and in literal washing, the subject have 你的、他的、他的 attributives. In idiomatic washing, the subject has no attributors. So, idiomatic washing sentences are shorter than literal washings because they have a different attributive. Now, we look at answering, how to answer one's name. His, her, its name is, we have learned here. Now, my, 我的, we have learned 我 in last lesson. 我的 pronunciation is 我的. Jack. Jack is English name. We have character like this. 杰克 and the pronunciation is 杰克. So now we can begin the translation. My name is Jack. 我的名字叫杰克。His name is Jack. 他的名字叫杰克。Her name is Jack. 他的名字叫杰克。Its name is Jack. 他的名字叫杰克。Pronunciation same. And idiomatic washing. Look, my name is Jack. 我叫杰克。His name is Jack. 他叫杰克。Her name is Jack. 他叫杰克。Its name is Jack. 他叫杰克。Still the same. The subjectives are pronouns. And here, literal washing, the subjects are nouns, 名字 name. Still, they are possessive pronouns are attributives. Still, idiomatic washing sentences are shorter than literal sentences. Now, we check the pinyin. We look here, more mo has no tone mark, and the has no tone mark. We have learned this mo in last lessons. Do you remember? The mo is a fixed suffix, and the it follow this pronoun. Sometimes it follow nouns. It is a auxiliary. So these two situations, they pronounce light tone. Do you remember last lesson? Light tone is not an inherited tone, but in some situation, when it in some word or sentence, since the inherited tone lost, change it to pronounce light and short. And we look the tone marks, where the marks is. Look here, min, the mark on yi, zi on yi, and here on a, on a. We have no wu this class. So that's the first rule for pinyin's tone mark. It's tones mark on vowels or on vowels. The second, we look 记ao jiao. One syllable, but 3 vowels. But the mark on a, we have 5 vowels. A, wo, e, wu. It's same as English. A, E, I, O, U. A is the first vowel. So, if a pinyin has a, we mark on a first. The second rule. Pinyin has a, mark on a. If it has no a, mark on wo, then e, u. Look, here has no a, so we mark on a. Here we mark on e. The third row, e, u, juxtaposed. When these two juxtaposed, marked on the second one. Look, e, u, yu, we marked on the second. Wu, yi, wei, we marked on the second. And nowadays, we seldom write on papers. We use computer, we use phone, but it's difficult to get the input method for Chinese 4 tones. So we can use alphabet number 1, 2, 3, 4 to replace the 4 tones. Then it's easy when you use computer or phone. When you write on paper, you still use the 4 tones. Okay? I think you have found something very, you feel happy. Because, attention, here, pay attention. In Chinese, the possessive pronoun equals pronoun add de. We have looked, we have seen. Look, 要你的 his 他的 her 她的 its 她的 These are 你他他他 they are pronouns. 你的、他的、他的、他的 they are possessive pronouns. The difference is add a the after this pronoun, they change it to possessive pronoun. So easy. Like here. 我, I, 我, you, 你, he, 他, she, 他, it, 他. When you see my, your, his, her, its, you add the after this pronoun, change it to 我的、你的、他的、他的、他的。So easy. You don't need to say, you write a new word. You only need to remember pronoun, then you just add the. It's a less task for memories. Yes? Here, look. We, 我们. Oh, the second rule. In Chinese, the plural pronoun equals singular add 们, 们. Here, look. When you see we, you add 们 after 我们, you, 你们, they, 他们. We, I. The difference is we, you, they have 们 after 我、你、他、他。我们、你们、他们、他们。I, we is two words, but 我们 is two words too, but the pronoun are the same. We only need to change the 们 after the pronoun add the 们, not totally change a word. It's less task for memories. That's in lesson 1. I told you learn Chinese, read Chinese, write Chinese character is more easy, it's easier. It's true. I told you we have a lot of reasons can prove this topic. Learn Chinese is easier. And I told you we will learn in the future lessons. No, today we meet. It's another reason for learning Chinese is easier. Yes? And look, we haven't studied this. When you see our, 我们的 is plural possessive.